Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality Dofollow profile backlink. So the website name is pub.org. So this is a org website. So this is a website dashboard. So now we can start. Before that we can install something about that website. So according to Href, the domain rating is 77 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 65 and the spam score is only 3%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing monthly visits are 249.8k and mostly traffic from USA, Vietnam, India, Canada, UK and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will consider this site for the backlinking. So this is a process. So this is a research of this website. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button if you can wanting to help me something. So you can see this website dashboard, website dashboard, and the top of the right corner in the menu section there is a login or sign up button. You can click on this and there is a click to sign up button. You can click on this and there you guys can add your email address. Click on the sign up button. Then this site will send you a verification email. So yeah, I received it and you can click on this and there you can add your first name, last name and the all details. So first name is Jobma interview. There you can add your password and you can add your profile picture. So we can upload our business logo and you can click on the crop and save button and there you guys can add your title. So my main targeted keyword is top interview management system. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So I can use this. So this would be going to help to understand what is this business. And there we can add a company description. So there we can add a company description. So company description should be short. So if we have under 800 characters, okay, so from where I can going to pick a description from my website. So let me use this interview better and faster with AI. And there is a website button. You can click on this and you guys will add your website URL. And there is a location button, so you can add your website location, your business location, and there is another social details if you wanting. So you can add your Facebook, your threads, and the Oracle. I guess this is we don't have. So there we can add our Twitter URL. So there we can add our Twitter username and the Facebook username and stay up to date, and you can acknowledge the terms and conditions. So if you wanting, so you can ignore these things as well because this is a newsletter. And after that you can click on the create account button. So you will see our profile is created. So simply you can click on this button and you will see this is your profile. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. I can show you in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. Yeah, so you can see this is instant approved backlink. This is our title and the short description, address, and the another details. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.